Okay, it's really simple. This is also I made with single crochets. I'm using 3 mm hook and the same yarn. This one I made with 18 foundation chains. Then I started doing single crochets. I'll show you. This is just for demonstration purpose. I'm going to put 10 foundation chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, I put 10 foundation chains. You can put 15 or 20 according to the length you want. So now what you have to do is you have to skip the very first stitch and insert your hook into the second chain stitch, and I have to do a single crochet. And here what you have to do is you have to put 2 more single crochets in the beginning and at the end, and in the end you have to put 3 single crochets. Okay, so here we put 1, so we need 2 more. So you have to insert your hook into the same stitch and you have to do single crochet. This is the 3rd single crochet. Okay, so I put 3 single crochets, and now what you have to do is from the next stitch till the second last stitch you have to put 1 single crochet. Okay, and into the last one you have to put 3 single crochets. Okay, so let's do that. Insert your hook into the next stitch and you have to do a single crochet. So till the second last stitch you have to do 1 single crochet. So we are going to do 3 single crochets into the last stitch. So insert your hook into the last chain stitch and you have to do 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to start doing 1 single crochets as we did this side till here. Okay, so insert your hook into the next stitch, not into the same hole. Okay, just insert your hook into the next stitch and you have to do a single crochet. Okay, into the next stitch. So you have to continue doing till here. Okay, you can see a curve over here. Till there you have to do 1 single crochet. Okay, so here I did single crochets till here as I told you, and we are going to join this. What you have to do is you have to insert your hook into the next stitch and have to do a slip stitch. Okay, just insert your hook into the next stitch okay, and you have to do a slip stitch. Okay, and you have to put 1 chain and you have marked this chain. Okay, we are going to do the same thing in the next round as well. So into the stitch we marked only we are going to join the next round. Okay, it will be easy for you, that's why I told you to mark with stitch marker. And next what you have to do is you have to insert your hook into the next stitch. Okay, and you have to do a single crochet. Into that the center stitch we are going to do 3 single crochets as we done in the previous row. So just insert your hook into the center stitch, okay, and you have to do a 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then only you will get that oval shape, that's why. And next one, into the next stitch, but 1 single crochet till here, till the center stitch you have to do 1 single crochet, and into the center stitch you have to put 3 single crochets, and again you have to put 1 single crochets, okay. I'll show you anyways, don't worry. Just do 1 single crochet into the each stitch till here you have to put 1 single crochet, and into the center stitch you have to put 3 single crochets to get that curve, that oval shape, okay. Into the center one you're going to put 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, okay. Then you have to start putting 1 single crochets till the stitch marker, okay. And into the, and you have to, once you reach here you have to remove the stitch marker and you have to join into the stitch, okay, with a slip stitch. Then you have to put 1 chain, then again you have to mark with stitch marker, then you have to do the same steps as we done just back. Here we reach, so what you have to do is you have to remove the stitch marker and you have to join the round with slip stitch and you have to put 1 chain, and again you have to mark that chain with stitch marker, then you have to continue doing, okay. You can see the shape now. If you want you can put a stitch marker, it will be easy for you to find the center point, because center point is very important, because in that stitch only we are going to put 3 single crochets to get oval shape, okay. So let's attach this on the back. As you can see I have marked with stitch marker to hold this. I marked with stitch marker, and our needle and yarn is ready to attach. Here we are not going to attach, at the back side of the petal we are going to attach, okay. So I'll just explain you briefly how I'm going to attach this. I'm going to attach like this, okay, this way at the border, and here this is where I'm going to attach with mattress stitches, okay. As I'm going to start attaching from inside, I'm going to remove the stitch marker. I'm going to put the stitch marker from inside of the back, okay. So here I'm going to mark with stitch marker. So I have attached with stitch marker over here. As I'm going to start from here, I'm going to remove the stitch marker. Here you can see I've attached. If you want you can keep a button over here, and to open and close the button you can keep chain, you can make chain and you can attach the chain over here. That's what I'm going to do. So firstly you have to attach the button over here, okay. So here you can see I've attached the button and chain to open and close this. You can close this like this and you can open it like this. It's nothing but you have to start doing chain stitch. I put 12-13 chain stitches. Then you have to attach this here itself. Then you have to attach a button as we attach a button in the shirt and all. Then that's all. So hope you all like this video. Hope you all learned how to make a crochet sling bag with button open and zipper. If you found this video helpful, please do share to all your friends and like, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And there will be a small bell icon. Please press that bell icon, then only you will be getting notification when I am uploading new videos. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.